we had a meeting in Delhi regarding our all the irrigation projects. There are a lot of issues. We just met, I met all the parliament members in Delhi. We have given about what are the issues which has to be raised in the parliament and the issues be taken. All of them have agreed to have a delegation to the central ministry and the prime minister. I think we will all go one day, fix a time. And on the Krishna Tribunal Award, notification has to be done. The gates has to be raised. We all have brought it. And the greatest judgment, I have been satisfied on the judgment given by the Supreme Court on as far as Kaveri is concerned. So on Madai and other Tungabhadra, all these issues we have discussed. So after this election, one day we will go there. We will seek their time and we will all present our cases before the central government.
And most of the MLAs met the Chief Minister and demanding for the minister position, sir.
Of course, when our Chief Minister said that there will be a shuffle, naturally everyone would like to become the minister. All of them are eligible to become the minister or the Chief Minister. So they may try. There is nothing wrong in it.
After discussion about the second airport in the Bangalore.
Second airport, I think I have been representing the state. There should be a height which has been creating a lot of problem on the Kempegowda, this HL airport, Jakkur airport and other Yelahanka airport. So the restriction connected to other states are different. So a survey has been conducted by the concerned departments. So I have said that you should look Bangalore also like other states, which is not affecting, because the cones and the area which has been affected, there is a lot of problem for the growth and premium affair, loading premium affair and financial strength to the states also should be considered. I have presented to the Civil Aviation Ministry and next meeting we will have with the Defence Ministry. I hope that they will sort out the problem and give us more height.
And
So
KC Venugopal met
in by-elections. Last time you clean sweep in by-elections. This time by-elections there is more expectation from ticket of candidates.
I think quite naturally everyone want to become MLAs when seat falls vacancy. Let us see. We will decide as early as possible. Already we have put our leaders on the job. They have submitted the report. I also have conducted a survey on this issue. And I also have a report within myself. I will place this before myself and my CM has already discussed on this issue. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow my General Secretary is coming. We will discuss and send our panel to the High Command.
sir.